Hey guys, welcome back to today's video. It's November 6th. Today is a Thursday. Look at this beauty, man. Look at this beauty that we got break even on. Oh man. Quarter 4 has been such a delight. Let's go over it. So today, lately, because of how the market conditions are, I don't have the urge to like get out of bed. But today, I got out a little bit late as well. Around 6:45, I got out of bed. So about 40 minutes late to the office. But today was actually pretty clear cut. I am happy with today's performance because I stuck with my own analysis and I wasn't heavily swayed by other comments. Because one of the comments was from Big Dog. He said he was actually going to be looking for buys internally. But I just wanted to stick to the plan and see what would happen. And it paid off. Well, not really, but it did. Overall, we're still very much bearish. We have 2 breaks to the downside. We have a lot of liquidity grabs from these higher low points, lower high points here. Never broke to the upside until here. So if we get another break above this high, we will then be officially back to bullish. But in the meantime, we are still bearish. So we have we're in an order block. Swept this 4-hour liquidity. I wanted to jump down to the 1 hour and see if there was another bearish confluence that I could use. There wasn't any order blocks or anything because we don't have a break of structure. So I jumped down to the 15, in which case we did, because we have our break in structure here, right there. So that means I can use this order block here. And from there, I just jumped down to the 5 minutes to look for my entry. First break happens right here. Second break happens here. Liquidity grab. I'm gonna just go with this one up here. Although there is liquidity sitting here as well, but I think it was already swiped. So this part is there's a PA level sitting here, and we actually got in on this one right here. Now the reason being is because I jumped down to the 1 minute and I wanted to see what the EMA was doing. Today was one of those days where I wanted to get a 1 minute EMA candle closure below the EMA. So I didn't really trust the 5 minute closing, yeah, that's pretty much it. Ooh, excuse me. So if I replay this back, PA level formed 6:35. Liquidity was grabbed a little bit before 6:30, like a couple minutes. $6:35. Yeah, so waiting for a candle closure below this here, and we didn't really get it until here. So about 6:56 I entered. My entry was 4021.8. 4021.8. Where is that? Around there. Originally I did a 40 tick stop loss. Then I realized that was really high up. So I moved so I risked about 740 bucks, 1.5. I realized the stop loss is actually quite high, and because I wasn't super duper confident in the shorts, because we've just been pushing up for quite a while and we seem to be fairly bullish, and the EMAs was against us for the time being, so I wasn't super confident in shorts. I just wanted to follow my plan, and whatever results happen, and it paid off. So I actually ended up trimming my stop loss to about 34, so I ended up or like 30, something like that. Ended up just risking 600 to make 1200. Now the hourly candle opened up for 7 a.m. or 9 a.m. Eastern, and it was, hourly candle opens are pretty volatile, so it immediately spiked down to my break even, and because of that I decided, hey, let's just go break even. Since the last couple weeks have been fairly rough, I don't want to continue this losing streak, so I went to break even as my plan told me to. Now I could have been a bit more patient with my break even point, because it literally came up, took me out at break even, and then continued to plummet for full take profit. Now as you can see, it's plummeting, so like, 1 to 10 is what I'm seeing now, right? So overall, I'm still pretty happy with today's setup and performance. I think I followed my plan to the T. I basically, it's becoming very robotic now. I'm just marking up my things. I see my entry, I enter. One thing I noted as well to backtest is that EMA. So the entries is something I really want to perfect in terms of like knowing what kind of conditions we're in terms of looking at that entry and comparing EMAs, things like that. And again, I think going break even, that one is kind of up in the air, because I technically just followed my plan. I hit a 1-to-1, I go to break even. But I could have been a little bit, because I do remember October 16th, there was a setup where the same thing happened, but I held off on going break even for just like 2 minutes, and that ended up paying out full TP, right? So same thing could be applied here. Now on a funded account, that's different, because I will have been taking partials, so I would have made money regardless. But again, that's something to keep in mind. So yeah, I don't know if I will be trading tomorrow. I think I'm kind of satisfied with this week. 1 loss, 2 break evens. In my mind, if I'm on a funded live account, that's 2 partial wins. Yeah, so I will catch you guys tomorrow.